Hi everybody, so here is the project in a short demonstration. You have the 100 watt solar panel which is here, mounted on the solar tracker with azimuth axis here, the elevation axis which is here with this linear actuator and this stepper motor. All this is controlled by this small board with an ESP32 MCU and two easy drivers to power the steppers. The panel is connected on its output. The output is feeding the power into the MPPT controller. The MPPT controller output is here and is going via this wire and these alligator clips to the battery, which is a lead acid one. I have currently disconnected the solar tracker in order to trigger its motion whenever I want and to have something cleaner on the video. As well, you will see that the status of the panel, that is the elevation angle and the azimuth angle, will be kept into the memory of the system, and so even if you disconnect the power, it will recover anytime you power the system. So we will do it. We are currently in a location here in France which is roughly at 43 degrees of latitude. It is 3 o'clock p.m. That is 12 o'clock in the UTC time, and so we are pointing almost to the south, and the sky is clear with a few clouds. So the angle here is roughly 30 degrees, a little more. And if I power the system, you will see the motion. So I will do it. The MCU will reboot. And I will trigger the reset in order to avoid to wait 10 minutes. And you can see that the system is running. You have the motion, which is almost visible in azimuth. And the elevation motor is turning as well. So we are after 12, so it's normal that we unscrew the screw in order to push the panel on the top. And the motion that we saw on the azimuth angle was from east to west, which is also absolutely normal. This was the demonstration I wanted to show you, and you will see also that the controller is working. I will provide a curve showing the output of the controller in order to charge the battery, which is almost fully charged, so it's roughly in the floating mode, but not yet. So the motion is finished. You can see that the system is again into this sleep. I can freely rotate the system, but it's not a problem because the motion is blocked by the screw which is here. Same thing on the other axis, thanks to the worm gear. So this is a very simple but efficient portable solution in order to take the most of the power of the sun into this very small and light solar panel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.